Lecture 6, Cross-Industry Applications of AI, Affiliate Marketing Introduction. Welcome back, industry innovators. After exploring content generation last week, today we're examining how AI affiliate marketing adapts across different sectors. The principles we've covered work differently in various industries, and understanding these nuances is crucial for success. Last week, an AI affiliate system was deployed across 3 different industries simultaneously: retail, finance, and healthcare. The same core system produced drastically different results in each sector. Today, we'll understand why and how to optimize for your specific industry. Cross-industry analysis, commerce and retail. 1. High transaction volume. 2. Rapid decision cycles. 3. Price sensitivity. 4. Inventory management. 5. Seasonal variations. Impact. Conversion rates in retail typically improve 280% with AI, but success depends on 1. Real-time inventory tracking. 2. Dynamic pricing optimization. 3. Personalized recommendations. 4. Seasonal trend prediction. 5. Customer behavior analysis. Financial services. 1. High regulation. 2. Complex products. 3. Long sales cycles. 4. Trust requirements. 5. Strict compliance. AI impact. AI systems in finance show 190% improvement when focusing on 1. Risk assessment. 2. Compliance monitoring. 3. Trust building. 4. Value demonstration. 5. Long-term relationship management. Healthcare and wellness. 1. Privacy requirements. 2. Strict regulations. 3. Complex information. 4. Trust importance. 5. Educational needs. AI impact. Healthcare affiliates see 230% better results by emphasizing 1. HIPAA compliance. 2. Educational content. 3. Trust building. 4. Value communication. 5. Privacy protection, technology and SaaS. 1. Technical audience. 2. Feature comparison. 3. Value demonstration. 4. Trial conversion. 5. User education. Peaked. Tech sector success rates increase 310% through 1. Technical content generation. 2. Feature comparison. 3. ROI demonstration. 4. Implementation support. 5. User education and training. 1. Long consideration cycles. 2. Value demonstration. 3. Student engagement. 4. Course comparison. 5. Career outcomes, AI impact. Education affiliates improve results by 250%, focusing on 1. Course matching. 2. Career planning. 3. Value demonstration. 4. Student testimonials. 5. Outcome tracking, travel and hospitality. 1. Seasonal variations. 2. Price sensitivity. 3. Experience focus. 4. Visual content. 5. Real-time availability. Impact. Travel sector sees 270% improvement through 1. Dynamic pricing. 2. Availability tracking. 3. Experience matching. 4. Visual optimization. 5. Season prediction. Industry-specific implementation. Commerce implementation. 1. Real-time inventory. 2. Price optimization. 3. Product matching. 4. Cart abandonment. 5. Purchase prediction. Financial services setup. 1. Risk management. 2. Compliance systems. 3. Trust building. 4. Value demonstration. 5. Relationship management. Healthcare configuration. 1. Privacy protection. 2. Compliance management. 3. Information accuracy. 4. Trust development. 5. Educational focus. Technology optimization. 1. Technical accuracy. 2. Feature comparison. 3. Implementation support. 4. Value demonstration. 5. User education system setup. 1. Course matching. 2. Career planning. 3. Value demonstration. 4. Student support. 5. Outcome tracking, cross-industry success factors. Data management. 1. Collection systems. 2. Processing infrastructure. 3. Analysis capabilities. 4. Security protocols. 5. Compliance management, customer journey mapping. 1. Touchpoint identification. 2. Interaction tracking. 3. Behavior analysis. 4. Conversion optimization. 5. Experience enhancement, performance optimization. 1. Conversion tracking. 2. OI measurement. 3. Cost management. 4. Efficiency improvement. 5. Result optimization, industry-specific challenges, e-commerce challenges. 1. Inventory management. 2. Price competition. 3. Market saturation. 4. Customer loyalty. 5. Cart abandonment financial challenges. 1. Regulatory compliance. 2. Trust building. 3. Complex products. 4. Long sales cycles. 5. Risk management healthcare challenges. 1. Privacy requirements. 2. Regulatory compliance. 3. Trust development. 4. Information accuracy. 5. Educational needs technology challenges. 1. Technical accuracy. 2. Feature comparison. 3. Value demonstration. 4. Implementation support. 5. User education challenges. 1. Course matching. 2. Value demonstration. 3. Student engagement. 4. Outcome tracking. 5. Career planning. Implementation framework. Phase 1. Industry analysis. 1. Market research. 2. Competitor analysis. 3. Customer needs. 4. Regulatory requirements. 5. Success metrics. Phase 2. System setup. 1. Infrastructure development. 2. Integration planning. 3. Compliance setup. 4. Performance tracking. 5. Quality assurance. Phase 3. Optimization. 1. Performance monitoring. 2. System refinement. 3. Process improvement. 4. Result optimization. 5. Continuous learning. Success metrics by industry. E-commerce metrics. 1. Conversion rates. 2. Average order value. 3. Customer lifetime value. 4. Return rate. 5. Cart abandonment financial metrics. 1. Lead quality. 2. Conversion rate. 3. Compliance adherence. 4. Customer trust. 5. Lifetime value. Healthcare metrics. 1. Privacy compliance. 2. Information accuracy. 3. Trust indicators. 4. Patient satisfaction. 5. Conversion rates. Future trends. Commerce trends. 1. Visual search. 2. Voice commerce. 3. AR shopping. 4. Social commerce. 5. Mobile optimization, financial trends. 1. Blockchain integration. 2. AI advisors. 3. Automated compliance. 4. Personalized products. 5. Risk management, healthcare trends. 1. Telemedicine integration. 2. AI diagnostics. 3. Patient education. 4. Privacy enhancement. 5. Value demonstration, practical exercise for next week. 1. Analyze your industry. 2. Identify unique challenges. 3. Plan specific solutions. 4. Set industry-relevant metrics. Looking ahead. Next week. Trust and verification systems. 1. Building trust. 2. Ensuring accuracy. 3. Managing compliance. 4. Measuring success. Questions to consider. 1. What makes your industry unique? 2. Which challenges are industry-specific? 3. How can AI address these challenges? 4. What metrics matter most in your sector? This concludes Lecture 6. Next week, we'll explore trust and verification systems. Bring your industry analysis and questions.